This is a usual heat map that we've been looking at, and basically there's been minimal change since last week. The high transmission rate in the counties across the country is 70%, and you can see that there's been a little bit of that little bump that we saw about 2 weeks ago. The nation started seeing that bump a little, lagging behind us a little bit, and so over the past week, the 7-day average has only declined 1.4%. This is the Washington state, and you can see that we're further down. We're further past that little bump, that little plateau that the rest of this country is now experiencing. So this is a Washington state 7-day case rate curve, and you can see it continues to drop. You know, a couple of weeks ago when we had that plateau, we noted that our reproductive number was at 1, so it kind of flattened, but now it's going below 1, so we should continue to see cases continue to drop. Nationwide, deaths and hospitalizations are going down. Likewise, in our state, hospitalizations and deaths are going down. This is the Washington state epi curve for hospitalizations, and this is for deaths. In Walla Walla County, so we've always had this strange little prolonged slope up, and then we saw that little bit of a plateau, and so there's a sense that things are coming down a lot slower than some other counties, but we are continuing to drop. As far as ranking in the state, we're still not in the top 10 of case rates, so that's good news. Also, hospitalizations in Walla Walla have decreased significantly. I think on Friday there were 5 cases in the hospital, so that's good news that the hospitalization rate continues to drop. With regards to vaccinations, Southgate continues to be open from Tuesday through Saturday, and then we've had some rotating to the schools and other mobile events. Last week we delivered over 1,000 doses, and over half of those were in the 5 to 11 age group, and we're still doing a significant amount of boosters. The Southgate Testing Center, we did about 300 tests last week. There has been a call from several businesses and other people in town and in the county how to problem solve if we need to do testing for our businesses and those that are unvaccinated and they need to test weekly. And the Southgate Testing Center is run by the University of Washington Laboratory, and I received confirmation this morning that all the testing, all types of testing is eligible to be performed through that Southgate Testing Center. So that's good news. And I believe that's all I have, and I'll be happy to answer any questions